Forests are often referred to as the lungs of our planet. They play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Forests also provide habitat for countless species, many of which are yet to be discovered, from the towering redwoods of North America to the dense rainforests of the Amazon. These ecosystems are teeming with life and wonder. Evergreen forests, such as the vast boreal forests of Canada and Russia, remain green throughout the year. These forests are crucial for maintaining global biodiversity and carbon sequestration. They are home to species like the majestic Siberian tiger and the elusive lynx. The evergreen trees, with their needle-like leaves, are well adapted to survive harsh winters and support a unique ecosystem. The world's oceans cover over 70% of the Earth's surface and are vital to regulating the climate and supporting marine life. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are incredibly diverse ecosystems that provide shelter for many marine species, protecting our oceans from pollution. Overfishing and climate change is essential for maintaining global biodiversity. Mountain ranges, such as the Himalayas and the Andes, are not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also critical for freshwater supply. Glaciers in these regions act as natural reservoirs, providing water to millions of people. Preserving mountain ecosystems from the threats of climate change and deforestation is crucial for sustaining this vital resource.